What's up, guys? It's Warren here from Blue Cloud Creation X, and today's video is going to be about the blocks getting destroyed. So in our previous video, in part 1, we made our ball bounce after colliding with the box. So in this video, I'm going to show you when the ball collides with a block, we want to destroy that block. So this is a simple tutorial, so let's get into it. So let's open up our old project. So here if we hit play, we'll see from the previous tutorial that the ball starts bouncing. And of course, the loss of energy because of the bounce is, I think, 0.5 right now. So it loses energy as it bounces. If we put it to 1, then it won't lose any energy. So what we want to do now for this tutorial, I'm going to create a new sprite. And I'm going to call this block. And let's change the color of this. So we'll create a game object. Let's increase the size of it. So what we want to do now is, we're not going to place a rigid body over this, because if we do and we enable it as dynamic, it will fall. So let's just put a 2D collider. So a box 2D collider is basically allows for collisions to occur. So this ball will be able to collide with this box, and our ball also has a collider, so that's fine. So what we want to do for this, when we want this ball to hit this block, we want it to be destroyed. So the way we do this is, if we want to create a new script, we should actually place all of these inside of a folder. So let's call this images. Not this. And let's move this inside of images, and we'll create a new folder, call this materials. Let's move our bounds, which is the physics 2D material, inside of materials. So this just keeps things organized. So what we want to do now is create a script. So we already have seen the script from one of the previous tutorials about loading back and forth through scenes. So let's create a new script, and let's call this destroy block. So this script, we're going to place it onto the block. So Unity is just taking a bit of a... So go to our block, let's place destroy block on here, and so the script is attached. So what we want to do now is we go into destroy block. So we don't actually need start and update methods, so let's take them off now. So So the method that we call, we want the collision detection. We want to know when the ball collides with the block, it needs to be destroyed. So the way this collision detection occurs, we create a method. On collision into 2D, we want the object to be destroyed when we collide with it. So we're going to say destroy game object. So this object is a reference to the object which the script is attached to, which is our block. As you can hear, there's a bit of a noise outside. So yeah, this is going to destroy. So when the collision occurs, I want you to destroy the object, this game object. So the script is attached to this game object, which is the block. So if you run this code, you'll see that the block gets destroyed. So that's it for part 2 of the tutorial. In part 3, we'll be moving this our paddle using the mouse. From wherever the mouse position is, the paddle will follow. So we'll be able to move the paddle left and right. But that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hit subscribe if you like the content, and also if you want to follow to part 3 and for the entire game series. I'll also leave a description in the link to play my first game. You can check that out. It's on the Play Store, so it's not for Apple yet. And also I'll leave the Discord link in the server, which I continuously post more material and helpful resources there. And yeah, please subscribe, guys, and that's it. Cheers.